Jai Gurudev. Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Jai Gurudev Girija ma'am. Jai Gurudev
Jai
Rukmini ma'am.
Gurudev.
Jai Gurudev children.
Jai Gurudev, ma'am.
Jai Gurudev, Vani, ma'am.
Jai Gurudev,
Yes
ma'am.
ma'am.
Happy morning,
Jai
children.
Gurudev. Good evening. Good morning.
Gurudev, ma'am. Happy morning, ma'am.
Yes, happy morning, dear.
Ma'am, happy morning, ma'am.
Okay.
Happy morning, Jai Gurudev, ma'am.
Okay. Can everyone kindly mute yourself?
Ma'am. நீங்க என்ன சாப்பிட்டீங்க? என்ன கூப்பிட்டீங்கல்ல? கட்டாயிடுச்சு.
Yes, okay. Children, now it's time for meditation.
Ma'am, your voice is echoing.
Okay, you be mute, Kanna, so that it will not get echo. Thank you. Okay, children, now it's time for meditation. I just want you all to do the meditation. Don't skip this. This is very, very, very good for your brain and also for your health. So relax, sit in comfortable position and do the meditation. Yes. Jai Gurudev children. Happy morning. How are you all? Give your answers in the chat box. How are you all children? I hope all are fine with good health. So be safe. Okay, it's raining heavily, so be safe. Being inside your house itself. Okay, right, children. Yes. So today, which subject are we going to learn? Math. Today, math subject. Okay, we are going to learn math subject. And before entering into today's session, I just wanted you all to type in the chat box what is today's date, day, which month are we in. Come on, give your answers in the chat box so that I can. 1 second, I'll check your chat box and I'll come back. Yes. Very good. Satvika, Samrish, Shravina. Good, Abhinav. Yes, Varsha. Very good. Nandeka, Arjun Raja, Teja, Mithun. Very good, Kana. Superb. Yes, thank you for your answers. Yes, today 9. The date is 9.11.21. So which month are we in? We are in November. Which year are we in? 2021. And what day today? Tuesday. Very good, children. And which subject we are going to learn? Math. Very good, very good. Thank you for your answers. Good. Yes, now I'll share my screen. Once again. Yes. Children, today we are going to learn a new chapter. Okay, are you all ready to listen eagerly? Yes, because yesterday you would have, yesterday you would have learned the revision, correct? You would have learned the revision. So you all are ready for the math exam for tomorrow, right? Yes. So today we are going to learn a new chapter, chapter number 9, and the chapter name is length. Chapter name is length. Okay, I want everyone to sharpen your ears and please listen carefully. What is length? Because this is new topic. So you all have to focus, okay, a little. Right. So chapter number 9, I'll repeat again. I'll repeat chapter number 9 and the chapter name is length. Length. L-E-N-G-T-H. What is the spelling for length? L-E-N. Length. G-T-H. Length. Okay? Right. So, let me check. I wanted to know, what do you mean by length according to you? How far you have understood what is length? Can you give me in the chat box? What is length? You know means give me. You don't know means no. No problem at all. You can type no, ma'am. Okay, 1 second. I'll check the chat box. How far you have, okay, understood the length? Meaning I'll check. Okay, long, size, tall, how long it is or how short it is. Sai Lakshmi, wow, good. Shreyan, height. Size of object, measuring a size. Oh, wow, long, height. Yeah, very good, children, very good. Superb. You make my job very easy. Yes, you are all making my job very easy. Because you yourself giving very beautiful answer. Yes, it's very close to the answer. Exactly, children. Superb. Very nice of you. Yes. 1 second. Let me share the screen. Perfect answer, children. What? Yes. Something is. Long something is. Like it can be a tall, it can be a short. How can we find out that? By measuring an object. So that is called as length. Okay? Very beautiful, children. Good, good, good. Thank you for your answers. Now you stop chatting. Okay? Now you stop typing the answer in the chat box. Now come on, come back to the screen. Now today's topic, which topic we are going to learn in this chapter, you know, children? Estimate length and also measure length using non-standard units. Don't get panic, ma'am. What is this, ma'am? Big, big terms. Don't get panic. It's very easy. I will explain you. Okay, right. So estimate length, measure length using non-standard units. So these are all the two topics that we are going to learn today. Okay, I'll tell you what estimate length is and also what non-standard unit is. Okay, don't worry. So before moving to that, we should know what is length. Yes, properly we should understand, right? Okay. Now you listen to me. Okay, you listen to me. I will read out. You listen to me. The word length is used to measure. I told you before itself, right? The word length is used to measure how long or tall an object is. If you're going to take any one object, you should find out how long it is, how tall it is. Like that, how can you measure? You will measure using scale, okay? Or otherwise, you can use your body parts also. That we can see in our further slides. Okay, this is called as length first, right? Measuring an object. Now, next, tall, long, and short are words we use to describe the length of objects. These are all the words we use to describe the length of objects and height of people. Okay, when you visit your doctor, first process, what he will say, come on, go and stand in the weight machine, and check your weight. Go and stand and check your height. You heard of it? Yes, the doctors used to say, right? So first step, how long, how tall, okay? So the doctors want to check whether you are in the right height, correct height according to your age. So this is called as length, measuring a particular object or otherwise height of people. Okay, now you understood, children. Any doubt in this? What does length means? Length means measuring how long or tall an object is. Okay, very simple. You yourself gave too many words in the chat box according to the length. Okay, right? Very good, children. Now let us move on to the example. Now look at me. Examples of length. Now listen carefully. Yes. Examples of length. For example, you will be having a pencil. So length of the pencil. First you have to find out what is the length of your pencil. How tall it is. So this is one example. Okay, I told you an object, right? So this is one example. And the another example, see, length of a blackboard. Length of a blackboard. How will you find out? So these are all the examples that we are seeing. Now I'll tell you how will you find out the length of these objects. Okay, now see. Non-standard units. I told you before itself, what do you mean by non-standard units? We can see further slides. Okay, this is here we are going to see non-standard units means. We can measure length. Listen carefully, children. We can measure length with the help of our body parts. I told you, right? Body parts. How, ma'am? How can we use our body parts to measure a particular object? I will show you. Wait. Now, non-standard units give a rough estimate of length. Rough estimate. What do you mean by estimation? Estimation is nothing but, see, it's not a proper measure, like 15.7. It's not a proper measuring, okay, measurement. Estimated means it's an approximate. It's an approximate measurement. Okay, it's an approximate measurement. Non-standard units means it's not a proper measuring, proper measurement. Okay, it's an approximate. Approximately how much? Approximately how much? You used to hear all these words. Approximately how much the pencil is. Approximately how much the blackboard is. Okay, rough calculation. It's not a proper. So this is called as non-standard units. Any doubt in this? Non-standard units means it is not a perfect measurement. It is an approximate calculation. That is rough calculation. Rough. One second. I'll show you that. Yes. Listen carefully. See? Did you all watch this? How can we measure using handspan? Did you all watch this? Yes? See, now I just wanted to know the rough calculation about how long, how length the table is. How length the table is. How can we measure? I don't have any scale now. Using your handspan, you can measure this. You all want to watch once again? Yes? Now listen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now I have measured this table. So now I can rough calculation I can give. So how length this table is. So 5 handspan. I can give rough estimated measurement. So 5 handspan. Now I just want you all to do this to your pencil. Come on, take your pencil and do it and measure like this. Okay, with the help of your handspan, and give your estimated rough measurement in your chat box. Come on, come on. I want everyone to do this. Yes? Yes, now I'll check the chat box. Right, take your pencil. Yes, my height is 925. Very good. Okay, Kamakshi, ma'am, voice not audible. Is it so? Okay, Varsha 5. Very good. Take your pencil. Just take your pencil. Take your pencil and just measure using the handspan. 5. Is it so? Nandana 2. Yes. Okay. One handspan. Yes, Meenakshi. Very good. See, this is the perfect answer, Meenakshi. Very good. Yeah, it might be 1. That's all. Not more than 1. You just take your pencil. Yes, one handspan. Very good, Ojasvi. Sai Lakshmi. Nandarakshan. Very good. Superb. It will not be more than one children because pencil is too short. Yes? Very good. Superb children. Superb. Thank you for your answers. Nandeka, Varsha. Very good, Kana. Superb. You can do, this handspan, okay, measurement, like with your table, study table, or otherwise, whichever object if you want to check with. Okay. Now you all have understood what is handspan. Yes or no? Come on, type it. Yes. Have you understood what is handspan? Yes. 6 handspan. What? Pratik, 6 handspan. What? Pa? Table 5 handspan. Very good. Good, good. Very good, children. Yes. So now I hope everyone are clear with this concept, handspan. Am I? Yes? Very good. So now listen once again. A handspan is a distance from a tip of the thumb to a tip of the little finger on an object, on an outstretched hand. Okay? Right. Now see here. This is the video I showed you. Right? Handspan. Yes. Now let us move on to the next concept. So first you learned about what is handspan. Now you are going to learn what is cubit. What do you mean by cubit? Cubit. This is the next term of the length chapter. Okay, first is handspan, now cubit. Now see, a cubit is the length from the elbow to the end of the fingers. So now see here, look at the screen. From your elbow, where is your elbow, children? You all know, right? Elbow, from your elbow to the end of the fingers. So this is called as cubit measurement. Cubit measurement. Now I just wanted to show a video for this. One second. Cubit, C-U-B-I-T, C-U-B-I-T, bit, cubit. Okay. Now this is, yes, okay. My screen is visible, ma? Right. Now this is called as cubit. Cubit measurement. Okay. Now see, I told you before itself, from your, now listen. Yes, from your elbow to your finger. From your elbow to your finger, called as cubit measurement. Cubit measurement. Now shall we see the, yes, now shall we see the video? Right, now see. Two, three. Now see, I just wanted to measure this bamboo stick using cubit measurement. I just wanted to measure this bamboo stick. Even I can do this bamboo stick measurement using my handspan also. But I just wanted you to understand what is cubit. So I just wanted to do the measurement with the help of cubit. Okay. This bamboo stick, how long, how length it is. Now see, I just wanted you to watch once again. 1, 2, 3. So, how length the bamboo stick is, children? How length the bamboo stick is? 3 cubits. Yes? Do you all understood the concept? So when you are measuring, one second, when you are measuring, yes, with a cubit, listen once again, 1 second. the measurement of length. Okay, you used to see the flower seller ladies. They used to measure the flowers with the help of cubit measurement. Yes, right. Now see here, bamboo stick. So you saw the video, you would have understood what is cubit measurement and how we have to do that. So this bamboo stick, how long it is, how length it is? It is 3 cubits, correct? Am I right? Yes. Have you all understood what is handspan and what is cubit and what is the term called length and what is the term called non-standard units? Yes, children, so 4 different terms and the topics we had learnt now. It's very easy. Length means how long or how tall an object is. That is called as a length. Non-standard units means it is a rough calculation. It is an estimated calculation called as non-standard units. That is, using our body parts, we can measure an object. So first, handspan. So we saw a video how a pencil or otherwise how a table we can measure using handspan. And also we saw a video and how cubit measurement is. Correct? Any doubt? Any doubts, children? Now we are going to see the next topic called foot span. The next topic called foot span. Okay? Now over to Rubini ma'am.
Yes, Jai Gurudev, children. Thank you, Vani ma'am. Yes. Okay, are you all enjoy the Diwali? Yes? Everyone did enjoy the Diwali? Nobody respond? Type in the chat box. No, somebody gave thumbs down. Who is that? You have not enjoyed it? Okay, I'm getting so many thumbs ups. Very good, very good. I hope you all enjoy the Diwali festival. Yes, it's time to start our usual routine. Okay, wow. Yes, so from tomorrow, your exam going to start. Are you all aware of it? Yes? Are you all aware of it? Yes? Okay, so read well. The first exam itself, what is that? What is the first exam? Do you all know it? What is the first exam? Math. Yes, very good, Sai. Sai Lakshmi, very good. Okay, yes, math is the first exam. You should all proceed properly. Okay, wow. Yes? And do it correctly, write neatly. Everyone, I request you to read the question and do it. If you have any doubt, you can ask your mom or dad. Okay? Yes? Okay, so before we start the session, okay, you all know what is tomorrow?
I like the maths.
Huh? What's tomorrow's date? 10th of November. So,
10/11/2021.
yes, what's special on tomorrow? What is the special about it?
Exam.
Exam is a school thing, okay? Wow. Other than that, tomorrow is a science day. You all know it? You all know it or not? Tomorrow is the science day. Okay, va? So, what you are going to do, you are going to take a photograph of the nature. Okay, you all love the nature? You all love flowers, leaves, hills, rain, everything, right? Yes? So, take your favorite thing and take the photo of yours. See, you should take the photo, not your parents, okay? And post it in the Google Classroom, respective Google Classroom, okay, va? Life skill Google Classroom, okay? Yes, Kanna. will send the message. We will send the message in our class group. Okay. Okay. Now get into the session. Okay. Everyone sit straight now. Everyone sit straight. Some of them are standing. Sit straight. Okay. Yes. Now, what do you mean by length? You all know what is length? What is mean by length? If the length of an object is nothing but, 1 minute. Sorry, 1 minute.
Robini
One
ma'am, your
moment,
voice
children.
is breaking, ma'am.
Length of an object. The length of an object is from one edge to the other edge. Okay? The length of an object is from one end to the other end. The distance between the one end to the other end is length. Okay? Is it clear? Is it clear what is the length of an object? The object's one end to the other end is the length of an object. Okay, so you all checked. How did you check your pencil length? How did you, from one end, one tip of the pencil to the other end? Yes or no? Yes or no? Type in the chat box. Yes. Okay, so that is what the length. So if you are measuring at the between like that, it is not correct. Okay. If you are measuring between the object, then it is not correct. You have to exactly start from one end to the other end. Coming to the non-standard units. You all know what is non-standard units. Why we have to, you might have the doubt, ma'am, why we are measuring using olden days. In olden days, there is no standard units. Like there is no scale, there is no measuring objects. Okay. Now we are having, we have standard measurements now. Earlier there is no measurements. Okay, so they used to have their own body parts, or they might have measure using the objects too. Okay, they used to find the distance using other object. That is also non-standard units only. Is it clear? Is it clear? So now we'll come to the foot span. Earlier you have learned cubit. So what is the cubit? You all might watch while you are buying the flowers. Okay, the flower garden and all used to measure using the cubit only. Yes or no? Yes or no? Amma பூ வாங்கும்போது எப்படி அளப்பாங்க? பூக்காரங்க எப்படி அளப்பாங்க? They used to measure 1 cubit only. அதுதான் ஒரு முழம். Yes or no? 1 cubit is nothing but one hand length. Okay, from tip of the finger to till the elbow. That is the 1 cubit. Okay, yes. Now coming to the foot span. Foot span is the distance of one leg from finger to the tip of the toe. Okay, sorry, tip of the toe to the foot. Okay, that is the foot span. What is foot span? You should all know this. What is cubit? What is foot span? You should all know it. Okay, what is the foot span? Is the distance from the tip of the toe to the heel of the foot. The full distance is cubit. 1 minute. See. Okay, it does not accept my annotation. Okay. 1 minute. 1 minute. Okay. Ma, please don't touch the screen, Kanna. See, this is the foot span. This is the foot span. Can you all see? This is the food span. The distance since I'm using the laptop, I could not draw it properly. It's moving beyond the food. Okay, va? So this is the food span. Is it all clear? Okay, now we'll move on to the, yes. See, measurement of the length of the room. Measurement of length of the room. See, that boy is measuring. How the boy is measuring? Using the food span. See, look at there. Now, can you all measure your room? Where you are seated. In that room, can you measure the food span? Can you find it out? Yes, come on, everyone. And type the answer in the chat box. Everyone check the room's food span, length. And type in the chat box. Yes, come on, get up, everyone. Start from 1. Everyone be careful with that. Okay? Yes? Are you all doing? Nobody checked? Still you are measuring? Yes, come on. Children, type the answers in the chat box. Nobody checking, huh? Nobody is doing?
Yes, ma'am, they are giving answers in the chat box.
Okay. But I'm not receiving any messages in. Okay, okay, ma'am. Yes, 16. Good children. Thank you. Okay, so yes. So this is the food span. What is food span? You have to measure using your foot. Okay. From one end to the other end of the object. Whatever it is, you have to measure from one end to the other end. That is the food span. Okay. Yes. Now coming to the LSRW. Are you all ready? Yes. From D section, Tanshika. Tanshika, are you there, Tanshika?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, dear. Yes. Okay. Tanshika, can you tell me? Can you read that? Can you read it? Below LSRW, what is there?
For standard.
Non-standard units. Yes, very good. Example for non-standard units. Very good, very good.
Standard
Now,
unit.
yes, what is this? Read it out.
Examples for not
Next,
standard
I underlined.
units.
Body parts.
Body
So what are
parts.
the body parts we can use to measure? Read it out.
And span.
Very good.
Cupid.
Very good.
Fingers.
Very good.
Plan.
Palm.
Spam. Palm.
Ah,
Use spam.
no. Food span. Yeah. Very good. Very good, dear. Very good. Thank you, Tanshika. Thank you, dear. Yes. Next, Smita from 2E. Are you there, ma, Smita? Smita?
Yes, ma'am.
Jai Gurudev, Smita.
Jai Gurudev, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes. Can you read the next?
Handstand. Cubit.
Box.
Fingers.
No. No. Yes, ma. You have to read this one. You have to read this one. What is that?
Pencil.
OBJECTS. What is that? Objects. Examples? Non-standard units using objects. So what are the objects or examples? Read it.
Ma'am, move chair, ma'am.
Ma, I will call one by one. Please let others to do. Please. Yes, Mita.
Pencil,
Very good.
pencil, ma'am.
Yes, next
Cup.
one. Very good. Next,
Stick,
stick. Stick.
stick,
Okay. The next one is
cloth,
cloths. Very good. So, there are non-standard units using body parts and objects. Thank you, Smita. So, the body
Thank you,
parts
ma'am.
unit. Yes, Kanna. Handspan, cube. Foot span are using palm. These are the body parts which we can make use to measure the non-standard units, measure the objects. Okay. Then using the objects we can measure it. What are that? Pencil, cup, stick, cloth. These are some of the examples we can make use of other also. Okay, ma'am. Using objects we can measure the other objects. Okay. Yes, we'll see it now. Next, Sanjana, are you there, ma? Sanjana? From 2F. 2F, Sanjana? Sanjana, are you there, ma? Okay. Tivashnavi Sai from 2D. Are you there, ma?
Ma'am, Sadhana, ma'am.
Ma, I will call you one by one, Kanna, please. Okay? I will call you. Nobody will leave it out. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Tivashnavi? Okay. Varunika Sara from 2E. Are you there, ma?
Ma'am, Shayan.
See, those who are LSRW name list, we have said no, those only we will call. Okay, va? Satvika, are you there, ma? Satvika?
Good morning, ma'am.
Jai Gurudev. Good morning, dear. Yeah.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, very good.
Ma'am, yesterday was my Mr. Ma'am. Call me, ma'am.
If you
What?
Anna, if you missed out, will call you.
What is the?
Once I complete all the name list, then I will call you. Okay? Yes. Satvika, can you read this question, ma?
What is the length of the picture frame?
Very good. What is the length of the picture frame? Very good. Can you see it here? See some of the hands they used to measure using the hands, non-standard units. Can you tell me how many? What is the distance?
9.
How many?
9 hands.
Very good, 9. So the picture frame is about 9 hands long. Very good, Satvika. Thank you, dear. Yes. Vaishnavi, are you there, ma? Vaishnavi? Ojasvi? Ojasvi from 2E. Are you?
Yes, ma'am. Jai Guru, ma'am.
What happened?
Ma'am.
Varsha? What, ma? Ojasvi. Yes, Ojasvi.
Ma'am, I am
Yes.
Ojasvi.
Yes, dear. Happy morning, Ojasvi.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes. Can you read this question, dear?
Then, what is the length of the tablet?
Very good. What is the length of the stapler? So, see here, they are using the pins to measure it. They were used to measure using the pins.
Hi, ma'am.
5. Very good, Ojasvi. 5 pins. So,
Yes.
the stapler is about dash paper clips long. 5 paper clips long.
Five.
Yes, dear. Thank you, Ojasvi. Yes. Varsha, are you there, ma? From 2F. Varsha, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Jai Gurudev, Varsha.
Trigger them, ma'am.
Yes. See here, they have used the paper clips to measure the chocolate. Okay, wow. So, how many paper clips? What is the 3? Yes. So, read the answer. See, if I annotate the, you could not read the last line. So, read it.
This
Ah.
chocolate.
Very.
This
This chocolate bar is.
ash bar
Is about. This chocolate bar is about 3 mm,
paper
clips long. Okay. This chocolate bar is about 3 paper clips long. Okay. Yes. Thank you, Varsha.
I
Robini ma'am, time up. ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Okay. So, children, you don't worry if we left out any name without calling or being time short, we will call your names later. Okay, wow. So, don't worry about it. Okay. Yes. Is it clear? What is length? The distance between one end to the other end is the length, okay, of an object. Okay, using standard and non-standard units, we can measure. Non-standard units are olden things, okay, it is not standard thing. It will vary from one person to other person.